Hello guys, it's good to have you back on my channel. It's been a while. I know, I apologize. I'm Eve Muffin. If you're new by passing, I'm Eve Muffin and I do tutorials like beauty stuff, fashion a little bit. So do check my channel, subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And what else? If there's any video you want to see from me, just write it down in the comment section. Right, I'm gonna do it for you. So today we are going to do a transformation. Like, there are so many new products. I want to try it with you guys, and you can then rate, watch for yourself and rate the products, and decide if you want to get one or two. I tell you, you're gonna thank me later. So let's get started with this is the end of the final glam. I hope you like it, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Do subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.